In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a radar chart in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to open in our Microsoft Word by going into the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match, or if you already have your document, just simply open that as to where you have saved that. Then we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find all these tabs. Now we just need to simply click on the Insert tab. And under it, you have all these options. Now simply click on chart, this one, add a chart. Now you will find this window which has all the chart options. Now simply click on radar. And you can simply choose your design from here. You have here the normal radar, the radar with markers, and field radar. So it's up to you. Now we can go with any of this option. Now let's go with this radar with markers. And then just simply click on OK. And that's it. You can also change the data from here. So you just need to simply fill it up with the data that you have for your radar. Just need to click on it and then change it into your own data like that. And then close this. You can also edit this one. You have here the chart design. Click on this drop down and there are a lot for you to choose from here. So you can choose this one, this one, this one, this one. So it's up to you. Also, if you want to edit your data because you have missed some of your data, just simply click on edit data from here and click on edit data. And you can simply change that from here. And once done, just simply close this and that will automatically change the data on your radar. So as you can see, and you can also resize your radar like that. Okay, and then you also have here format chart area, and you have here fill. You can go with no fill. For the border, you can go with no line, and then I can go with solid fill, gradient fill. So it's up to you. And then we just need to simply close this, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.